So question 1 says the temperature at 4 a.m. is negative 12 degrees Celsius. The temperature at 4 p.m. is 21 degrees Celsius. Find the increase in temperature from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. So what we do here is to do the difference between the temperature at 4 p.m. and at 4 a.m. So that would be 21 degrees Celsius minus 12 degrees Celsius. And this will give us 21 degrees Celsius plus 12 degrees Celsius, which is 33 degrees Celsius for this question. So the answer to this question is 33 degrees Celsius. So for question 2, it says, find all the common factors of 8 and 12. So let's simply list the factors of both 8 and 12. So we have for 8, we have 1, 2, 4, and 8. Then that of 12 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So what factors do they have in common? What factors do they have in common? So the common factors are, we have 1, we have 2, and then we have 4. So 1, 2, and 4 are the common factors of 12 and 8. 1, 2, and 4. So then the next question says,
Mathematics is more than numbers. It's the language of logic, problem solving, and precision. At Ajiro Tutoring, we make math make sense. From algebra and geometry to statistics and calculus, vectors, and all. Our expert tutors bring clarity and confidence to every topic. We specialize in all major exam boards, AQA, Edexcel, and Cambridge International, helping students prepare effectively for their GCSE, IGCSE, and A-level exam. Each lesson is personalized, interactive, and focused on building understanding that lasts. And now, we're proud to be officially registered right here in England, UK, offering you trusted, high-quality online tutoring that meets British educational standard. Because when students understand the why behind the numbers, success becomes inevitable. Begin your journey today at ajirotech.com or message our sales team info@ajirotech.com or ajirotech@gmail.com. Ajirotech Tutoring, where understanding leads to excellence.